In this video, we are going to see how can we create any alphabetical by using SolidWorks. But for that, initially we have to go for new document, select part modeling, OK, which we already know that, and we have to select any one of the plane sketch, and initially we have to create the arc. I'm just creating the semicircle arc, and then I am defining that arc like 150 mm radius. But the sketch is still underdefined. Still I have to add the center line for that. Now you can see that the sketch is fully defined, which you can see at the bottom of the screen as well. After that you can exit sketch. We have an option called text in that. If you click on that, and we have to specify the platform on which it has to be. I am just selecting this semicircle. If you want, you can create any sketch if you want. I am just creating. I'm just adding like BECREATIVE. You can add that, and you can increase the font size. For that it will be like visible. It be creative. It is got created. After that, this is the option for flipping. After that, we have an option like a flip horizontal. If you want to flip this sketch means you can just flip on this, which I am flipping. After that, we do have an option for alignment as well. If you want to create a bold letters means you can click on that, or if you want to link any properties to this means we have an option. We can interlink that. If you click on that, and you can browse from the computer, and you can add any document name if you want, and this is for alignment. It will be start from the beginning, and it will be, I'm just creating at the center now. After that, if you want to increase that means increase the size of that text means you can do that by increasing the font size. After that, select OK, and this semicircle we have to convert it into construction geometry, which I am doing now. After that, exit sketch. Now we have created a sketch in the form of an alphabet. Then we have an option to add the material. We have like a features a toolbar. If you click on that, we have an option called extruded base. If you click on that, and we have to select the sketch now, that I am doing now. After that, it will ask like how many we have to add the material on that sketch, which I am doing like 20 Now you can see we have created our logo. If you want to add any appearance for that means you can do that by clicking on that, and these are the available colors in SolidWorks. We can use as per your convenient. I am using blue. This is how we can create. This is how we can create alphabet by using SolidWorks. I hope this video will helpful for you to learn any new stuff. If you want to learn any new thing in SolidWorks means that you can mention it in the comment section, which I will going to do in my next videos. Please support me by commenting and by subscribing to my channel. That will obviously motivate me to do more videos, and I will be keep on posting that in YouTube.